How to transfer Bitcoin from Kraken to another wallet. For that, you just have to simply come to kraken.com, or you can even open your Kraken mobile application. Now, once you are over here, you need to simply tap on the transfer crypto option, and over here you need to select withdraw if you are using kraken.com. But if you are using your mobile device, you need to simply click on the send option. Now, on the screen, you need to enter the wallet address or ENS name for your recipient. So you can also tap on the camera icon to scan the recipient's unique QR code. On the send asset screen, you need to select the asset that you wish to send. Next, you need to enter the amount that you wish to send. You can toggle between the native asset, for example BTC, or your local currency. But since we want to transfer BTC, so you need to select this option. Next, you need to review or select a network fee. Then you need to tap continue. You need to carefully review the prepaid transaction on the confirm send sheet. Once you are ready to send, you need to simply tap on the confirm button. Alternatively, you can send any asset in your wallet by tapping on the asset and then tapping the send button at the bottom of the screen. You will then enter the necessary details, including amount and sending to, before confirming the transaction. So you need to follow these simple instructions in order to transfer your Bitcoin from Kraken to another wallet. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.